I can never catch a break with this car.
Anyways, welcome back to the vlog, guys. It's your boy Lance. I wanted to get this thing and just go right into it, but I forgot that I was low on gas, and I also have a dead battery now. So to start today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys how to get into a GTR with
A dead battery. All right, first thing that you're gonna need, Phillips head, and of course your key. So every fob has an actual key in it, so you just have a little clip in the back, and boom, you have your key. That's all you need. Phillips head and your key. And of course you need a GTR with a dead battery. If you go ahead and look at how the handle is, you have that little Phillip head. With that head right there, all we're gonna do is unscrew it off, and then it's gonna expose the keyhole. So there's the actual head itself, which is access to your actual keyhole. You're gonna open the door handle, stick your key in, turn the key, and pull, and voila. And now that the car is unlocked, let's see if it can actually start. Nothing. Come on. Well, we gotta charge up the battery a little bit, so. And then of course, just to put back everything, all you gotta do is just screw your little head back on, and then you're all good. Anyways, while we figure out the battery problem, we are gonna be fixing something else today. We are gonna be cleaning the air filters. So let's take these off and let's get these cleaning. Alright, this is how dumb I was. So this is how it should look like as far as shape wise, like an actual cone. When I forgot to take the bags off of the air filter when I was detailing the car, it literally like shrunk itself. So today we're using our green filter cleaning kit. Super simple. Rinse, dry, spray, easy. But let's get these washed. Let's start getting this going. After you got everything all whacked and dusted out, all you're gonna do now is just gonna be spraying the cleaner. So once you're done spraying, all we're gonna do, we're just gonna wait about 15 minutes, and then we're just gonna rinse it right out. While we let the air filters do its thing, I'm gonna have to take apart the front bumper to the front lip. Like, look how dirty that is. Oh my god, this is disgusting. So we let all the grime and everything work its way, let the cleaner do its job. Now it's time to just wash. So basically all you're gonna do is just keep washing it until the water turns clear, or as clear as possible. All right, let's take a look at this one. Oh, look at that. This is nasty. So we're just gonna let these dry, and then we're gonna re-oil it. But before we oil, we need to make sure that this thing is as dry as it can be. So we're gonna let this sit for a good minute. So I've been getting a lot of questions on, Lance, when is the car gonna be done? So right now the projected date is to be November. Hopefully it's before my birthday. That's when I think we're gonna get everything done. We still have to do the nitty-gritty parts, especially like for some parts of the bumper, we have to recede it back just a little bit because it's almost gonna be scratching my headlights. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Another one that we have to figure out that I still don't know exactly what I'm going to do for the fender liners. I think that's where we're going to run into problems. So that's about how thick it's going to be. But with the wide body, it's going to be a little thick, maybe about here. So we're going to have to make a little strip and kind of extend the fender liner. So if any of you guys have any suggestions on how to extend the fender liners, honestly, I'm open to any options right now. If you guys have any suggestions for the fender liners, how should I do it? How should I go about with it? Or if there's just a better, cleaner way, I'm open to that too. So drop it down in the comments, guys. Let me know. I've asked a few shops and they said that they just cut it in half and they extend it from the middle, which is what we were thinking about doing. Also, if you guys haven't smashed the like button today, make sure you smash the like button. And if you guys haven't done so and this is your first time, make sure you guys subscribe. I promise you guys, this thing is gonna be sick. So if you guys want to stay updated, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button too. Our goal for today is to recede just this little corner right here, just edging out where the rubber stripping is. And the rubber stripping is a good marker to where the headlight is. If I can find my little sanding cone type of thing, I need to bore this out a little more so that the front bumper can sit nicer with the quarter panel. Hopefully we can get this done today, but for sure we are gonna get this done. let's see how this works out. Yes, I covered the car again because I do not want to go through detailing this car as hard as I did the last time. Look at that carbon fiber. Now this is what it should be looking like all the time. Smooth and clean and hydrophobic, and learn from me. Do not neglect your cars, guys. Take care of your car, it'll take care of you. And obviously I haven't been taking care of this car quite well because the battery's dead. I can't get it started, so learn from my mistakes. All right, air filters are nice and dry, nice and clean. All we're doing is just oiling it again. Now it's nice and green. I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes to dry off, and then we're gonna put it back onto the car. Filters are in. Now the front bumper comes on a lot nicely. It's not scraping the edges over here. We reduced the gap in between over here, so it's sitting a lot better now. Same thing here. I do have to reduce this gap just a little more, and the way that the corners line up now is way better now that there's some actual room to it, so I'm super happy with that. So I wanted to end today's video with just answering one of your guys' questions on my Instagram. Again, if you guys not following me on Instagram either, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Lance_GTC. Whoever submitted on this poll, I'm gonna answer your question. Okay. Oh, I like this one. Okay, so this one comes from the real Matt Son. It says, realistically, if you had the money, what car would you want next? Well, that one's obvious, and I kind of explained it, or I kind of told you guys about it earlier. Was I really want to get a Z. You guys can probably figure it out what I want to do to it, but I'm just gonna say that right now. I really want to get a Z. I just want a nice dailyable car. Back then, a few years ago, maybe like, what was that, 5 years ago, when I was trying to find my first car, I was looking for a Z, but at the time it was just too expensive for what you get. Realistically, I have the money for it, but I don't want to pull the trigger until I get a nice and clean one, or just something that's just not totally abused. I am looking for a Z. I've been saying it so many times on this channel, but I really want to get a Z. The only car I would buy other than a Z is my first car from high school. 350Z, 370Z, I honestly don't care anymore. As long as it's a Z, I just want to get one. And by preference, it has to be manual. Has to be manual, hands down. So I'll update you guys on the car tomorrow. Got some of the stuff that I wanted to do today, not everything. I gotta get a jump start tomorrow, and then I'll update you guys on everything else with the car. So earlier I was on TikTok live just to kind of give a little sneak peek of the car. So if you're on my TikTok live, you know what's coming for the car. But if not, make sure you guys follow me on my socials, Instagram and TikTok. And if you guys haven't done so either, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Smash the like button too. It'll really help me a lot. Again, this car is gonna be sick. It's gonna take a lot of time, a lot of patience, but I promise you guys it's gonna be super sick. I promise you guys that. So see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.